In 2024, a number flashed on the world's economic dashboards that changed everything. $3.26 trillion. That's the value of China's manufacturing exports, a figure so vast it eclipses the combined total of the United States, Japan, and Germany. This isn't just about cheap toys anymore. This is about China commanding the supply of everything from the chips in your phone to the batteries in your car. It's a level of economic dominance no nation has achieved in the modern era. But is this a triumph of global supply chains, or its single greatest point of failure? You're watching Milwaukee Insights, and we're dissecting how China won the 21st century industrial revolution, and what it means for your job, your wallet, and the future of global power. This didn't happen by accident. It was a decades-long state-orchestrated master plan. While the West preached free markets, China played a different game. The blueprint was Made in China 2025, a multi-hundred-billion-dollar strategy to not just compete in, but to own the foundational industries of the future. The state provided cheap capital, built world-class infrastructure, and protected its domestic market. But the real masterstroke was vertical integration. China didn't just want to make electric cars, it wanted to control the lithium mines, refine the cobalt, and manufacture the batteries. Today, they process over 90% of the world's rare earth elements. They don't just lead the race, they own the track. This is the core insight we explore here at Milwaukee Insights. Follow the supply chain, and you'll find the power. The world is addicted to Chinese manufacturing, and the hit is cheap consumer goods. This dependency has been a powerful deflationary force for decades, but it's an addiction with massive hidden risks. We've outsourced our economic resilience. The European Union imports 80% of its solar panels from China. The US defense sector relies on Chinese rare earths. What happens if the flow stops? A geopolitical crisis could trigger a supply chain heart attack. Here at Milwaukee Insights, we see this as the central paradox of the 21st century. We enjoy the low prices, but we've let our own industrial muscle atrophy, making us dangerously vulnerable. The wake-up call is ringing. The West's response is a frantic trillion-dollar attempt to de-risk, a polite term for untangling itself from China. But here's the brutal truth. You can't turn back time. Even if the US builds new factories, they will be automated, employing a fraction of the workforce lost. And many products will simply be more expensive, ending the era of cheap goods. We are not heading toward a clean break. We are stumbling into a bifurcated world. This Cold War 2.0 quote will force every nation to choose sides. This fracturing of the global economy is a key trend we track closely here at Milwaukee Insights. So is this China's peak, or just the beginning? The answer lies in its ability to overcome massive internal challenges. Its workforce is shrinking and aging. Its economy is burdened by massive debt. Yet, it would be a grave mistake to count China out. They are now pouring resources into the next frontier, artificial intelligence. They may not just want to be the world's factory, they may want to be its AI brain too. The future is not set. China's export dominance is a fact, but whether it translates into lasting global leadership is the multi-trillion-dollar question we ask every day on Milwaukee Insights. China's $3.26 trillion export machine is the defining economic fact of our time. It represents a staggering achievement in efficiency and scale, but it has also created a world of breathtaking fragility. We are now living in the paradox it created, enjoying the benefits of low prices while nervously watching the scale of our dependency tip into the danger zone. The era of unquestioned globalization is over. The new era will be defined by a tense and costly balancing act. If this deep dive into the New World Order resonated with you, help us spread the analysis. Like, share this video, and subscribe to Milwaukee Insights for more content that cuts through the noise. The global trade revolution is here. What happens next is up to us.